Hello and welcome to a special edition of my drawing demo series. As you can tell, I'm wearing something a little different. This is called a barong, and this is a traditional formal Filipino shirt. You wear something like this for a wedding, birthday, or a Filipino function. And you guessed it, we're going to draw something Filipino related today. So we're going to illustrate a Bahay Kubo or a nipahat. And we'll start. Oh yeah, this is probably one of the very first thing I drew as a little kid back in the Philippines. Okay, I'm using a Sharpie, so with that in mind, there's no erasing because everything you create will be perfect and beautiful all the time. I also draw really fast, so if you need to, just pause the video, and also you don't have to draw the Bahay Kubo exactly the way I'm illustrating it. Okay, so the first thing we need to draw will be the roof. So draw a triangle. Just like this, okay? Then close the gap of the triangle. By the way, this is a very, very simple drawing to illustrate. Then draw a square at the bottom, like this. Okay? So this house is going to be on stilts. So it rains a lot in the Philippines, so when it floods, this house is raised. Okay, so we'll draw one window. So draw a square over here, okay? And a door. All right, so how you access or how you get inside the house is through a ladder. So draw two diagonal lines like this and add the steps. And then we'll add some texture on the house. So add lines like this on the roof. This brings back a lot of good childhood memories. If you want, you can add more of the texture there on the tip, more over here. So one of the materials used to build a Bahay Kubo or nipahat is bamboo. Then let's add something on the side of the house. So add more lines and add similar sort of lines like this. And you know what? We are almost done with this Bahay Kubo. Isn't it fun to draw? Okay. So you can stop here or you can add details, the background. I'm going to draw a volcano, which is my own volcano. So for me, I'll add big triangle in the background, maybe some trees. And this volcano has right next to it a kind of ruin of a church. So I'm adding that. And some grass. And the Philippines is known for its sunsets, so I'm going to add happy sun. And the Philippine flag has a sun with 8 rays, so I'm adding 8 rays. And I'm going to add a happy sun right there and sign it. And we just illustrated, I'll add a volcano detail over there. Hey, Bahay Kubo. Thanks for drawing with me, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.